Starch is what makes or breaks the crunch. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen.
I'm the devil in the kitchen, here to tempt you with shortcuts no Italian would ever approve of.
Today we're making the crunchiest patatine fritte using a foolproof technique. In Italy, these fries are a constant partner for a crispy Milanese steak or even a burger. But while most restaurants serve them perfectly crunchy, reproducing that texture at home is rarely easy. Since fried food is a true indulgence, eating soggy fries is just a waste of calories.
The secret is simple. You just soak them in water for 30 minutes.
That might work for a nanosecond, and then they mash up like a wet sponge. Soaking potatoes removes surface starch, helping fries get crispy when cooked. But even then, fries lose crispness over time as moisture from the inside moves to the surface. We focus on the internal starch instead. All potatoes are best as they have high starch and low water, and ensure a fluffy and tender interior. Cooking in stages is key. Low heat makes the internal granules swell and gelatinize, creating a fluffy, tender center. At medium heat, starch dries into a solid structural network. This builds a skeleton that prevents the fry from sagging. Finally, high heat browns the outside, fusing the starch into a permanent, glassy-like shell that stays crunchy longer. So let's see this in practice. And you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. Peel your potato and cut them into even sticks so they cook at the same rate. Dry them thoroughly with a clean kitchen towel. This ensures water doesn't spark and splatter when it hits the hot oil. I use a deep fryer as I can control the temperature. It should be set at 120 centigrade to 150 Fahrenheit. Once the oil reaches the temperature, fry the potatoes for 10 minutes. If you don't have a deep fryer, use a deep pan with enough oil to allow the potatoes to move freely. If you don't have a meat thermometer, try to match the gentle fry you see here, where the oil is not bubbling aggressively. Remove the potatoes and place them on a kitchen towel to absorb the oil. Increase the oil temperature to 160 centigrade, 320 Fahrenheit. Fry the potatoes for another 10 minutes, then remove them and place them on a paper towel again. Finally, increase the oil temperature to 180 centigrade, 356 Fahrenheit, and fry one last time until they turn deep golden brown and perfectly crunchy. While still hot, toast them with a generous pinch of coarse salt. Isn't this the texture you were looking for? For a traditional Italian experience, serve this hot alongside a breaded Milanese or Palermitana. They also work perfectly as part of a larger fritto misto platter, paired with fried zucchini flowers, olivia ascolane or arancini. For more traditional Italian food like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. I hate wasting calories on mushy fries.